Hello everyone, welcome to Murthy IT. Today we are going to discuss about what is functional interface and what are the rules to create it. Okay, so basically it is a frequently asked question. So we'll understand clear information. So basically, a functional interface it contains only one abstract method, and which should annotate it with at the rate of functional interface annotation. Then it's called functional interface. So people will get doubt here. So an interface it contains only one abstract method and which is not annotated with at the rate of functional interface. Then that functional interface is that interface is not functional interface. Yes, we can say any interface even though it contains only one abstract method also. So if we not annotated with at the rate of functional interface, then we can say that that interface is not a functional interface. So for suppose let's take an example. I have taken an interface. So then I am creating one abstract method, public void add of int number one comma number one comma number two. So can we say this as a functional interface? Okay, we can say functional interface, but whenever we write lambda expression for this functional interface, so whenever we write lambda expression for this functional interface, so in the future maybe we can add another abstract method also. For example, so in starting days we written, but for suppose I am writing main method. See, maybe we cannot write. Let me take one class. Let me take one test class. Okay. So I am creating one test class here with the main method. And I move this I1 interface there. I1 interface as we cannot create, right? As we cannot create main method in the interface, right? That's why we want to test something, right? That's why I am deleting that functional interface and so just here I am creating functional interface. Okay, so a normal interface I created. So but it is not a public. So in one Java file we cannot create two public classes, right? So that's what. And see, I am writing for this functional interface. So I1 equal to I1 equal to 10 comma 20. Sys out. Okay. So it is not 10 comma 20, basically A comma B will take. So we have to take any two parameters. So then A plus B. So we have written a functional interface. So in a future, if anybody if he adds additional functional interface, now we have written in our code the lambda expressions. In future, anybody if he added another method, then lambda expressions won't work. So to stop that, right, adding another abstract method, to stop that one we needed one thing, right, that is called at the rate of function interface. So that is the power of the at the rate of function interface. So whenever you try to add anything additionally, then it stops that creating another abstract method. See, I am creating now, it will get the compile time error by saying that. So invalid functional interface annotation, it is not a functional interface. Okay, it stops the adding of the additional function, additional abstract method. So that is the power of the at the rate of function interface. So that's what I given point here. So an interface, it should contain only one abstract method and which should be annotated with at the rate of functional interface annotation. Okay, then only we can say it is functional interface. Functional interface checks that interface contains at the rate of functional interface annotation checks that the functional interface contains only one abstract method or not. If it is not, it will throw the error. It will throw the compile time error. So functional interface given to write the lambda expression. Without functional interface, we cannot write lambda expressions. Okay. And rule 1. So to create any functional, so actually rule 1, it contains only one abstract method and it can contain more than one default methods and static methods. Rule 2, if a parent functional interface contains only one abstract method, okay, writing abstract method in the child class functional interface so is optional. Writing abstract method in the child functional interface is optional, because parent functional interface abstract method automatically available in the child functional interface. So let me give that point also. So for suppose I have two functional interfaces, so I1 and I2. So it is I2. So here writing this, whenever parent functional interface having the same method, writing that functional interface, whenever it is extends, right? Whenever it extends I1, extends I1, uh, extends I1. So writing this abstract method, parent interface, parent functional interface abstract method, writing is optional in the child interface. Okay, so that is the rule 2. Rule 3 says that, so rule 3 says that if parent function interface will have already abstract method in child, so if parent function interface will have already one abstract method, so in child class it is not allowed different abstract method. So parent function interface is having already one abstract method, then child interface, if you want to write its own abstract method, means it's won't allowed. See now, same abstract method allowed, not an issue, but if you try to write different one, no, we'll get error. What is the error? Invalid functional interface. That is the rule 3. Rule 4 is the child interface is not a functional interface. Child interface is not a functional interface, but its parent interface is a functional interface. Then child interface can have many abstract methods. Okay, so parent interface is a functional interface, but child interface is not a functional interface. Okay, then it can have many abstract methods. Child interface can have many abstract methods. So now I am adding like multiplication, okay, division. Okay, now no compile time errors, right? So that is the rule 3 says. So this is the overall about while creating functional interface, what are the rules and what is the definition of the functional interface. So that's all about it. So if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. Okay. So if you're watching first time, please subscribe and please share our videos. Thanks everyone.